We're loving this town. This is great. And the view from here is great at St. Mary's. And we're glad we did it.
Yes, we are enjoying the people. They opened the museum for us, and now we got to climb to the top of the church tower. It's a lovely town.
That's our ship there. And
we came in on the Maasdam.
We're impressed by all the snow in the mountains. It's just beautiful, as far as you can see.
It's just lovely.
Beautiful.
It's absolutely a beautiful day, beautiful scenery, and the people have been so kind and welcoming. They really go out of their way to tell us where to go and things we might enjoy, and it's a real pleasure to be here.
It's lovely.
Spectacular.
Yeah, it's just gorgeous.
Really
Really quaint, pretty.
Church is lovely.
Yeah, people are very friendly.
Everyone's been so helpful.
Yeah. Yeah, it's worth a stop.
Beautiful little place.
It's
Great, beautiful town. Everybody looks after you well here.
I think the view is absolutely magnificent. Wonderful, quaint architecture, a great history. Love being here.